Let's make some plantain fritters. This is my overripe plantains, all peeled here and cut. Now I'm going to mash the plantains. Mash until it's all smooth. You can use your blender. Just like this. So that's the consistency I want. So now I'm going to season with some black pepper, pinch of salt, some smoked paprika, some dry parsley, some garlic powder. You can really season with whatever you want to season with, okay? Now mix all together, combine everything. I'm also going to add this self-raising flour. Self-raising. Okay. I'm going to use half a cup. So half of this. More. That's about half. Mix everything. So that's how you want it, okay? Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before frying. So this is 15 minutes, and now I'm going to get some oil into this pot, ready to fry. So it goes like this, and drop it into the oil, hot oil. That's how it looks like. I think this one are a bit dark. I left them too long, but they're not burned. That's better. Oops.